Jesus! If you believe in the victory of Jesus, let me see you! Oh yes! Oh the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. I know the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. Hold on to your truth. Hold up on your truth. Hold up on your truth. Victory in Jesus. Victory in Jesus. Hold up on your truth. Hold up on your truth. Victory in Jesus. Victory in Jesus. Amen. Victory. Come on.
Parliament, of course, helping to shape organizations about Jamaica's future. Now he debates government and holds the government to account. Well, tonight, however, there are no parliamentary debates, no motions, no points of order, just performance, right? Please welcome Leader of the Opposition, Mark Golding, to the stage. Keep it going, keep it going. Woo!
One more time. Can I touch you like if I touch you like
No one evil that mean me harm. And no matter where they came from, no demonic words but far shall prosper. From the silence man's mouth, 'cause they cannot sweep me like a Good evening, everybody. Whenever you cry, I cry too. Oh, speak by me, and I'll speak by you. Mix it on this. Boy, we gonna always speak by you. I've been so in and I can speak by you. Forever. Big up to Joshua. I've been trying this long, long time, still I can't make it. Everything I try to do, it seems to go wrong. Seems like I've done something wrong. Why they're trying to keep me down. Oh God bless, no one cares. Thank God I'm not worth. It must come one day. It must come. They can conquer with it. It must come one day. It must come. I've been trying this a long time, but still I can't make it. No one there to give a helping hand. They only try to keep me down. But oh God bless, no one cares. Thank God I'm not the worst. Oh my people, can't you see? They're trying to take this advantage of me now. Bitter must come. Bitter must come one day. Bitter must come, yeah. Bitter must come one day. Bitter must come. Bitter must come one day. Bitter must come. Yeah. Thank you so much. And just to close out this short set, I want to do a special dedication to two of Jamaica's great singer-songwriters. I refer to, of course, the late great Pluto Shervington and the one and only Ernest Smith. Sunday I jump and I feel the late nothing not my fault. And when we here reach my terminus, we bring a bus come to a heart. We look around, put down by the roundabout, and just as if not suffice, I read I run to the bus and start to shout. You should have been quick with buy 1 pound of rice. From good liver, good living, money's fine. Big old tea, everything you got. Coming over and on the swimming pipes in your bar. He make the data. He make the data walk and talk. When the news spreads fast like a telegram, nobody know where this food come from. Me raise a pot and a one from another man. Who sit down all along. 2,000 bags of wine. I think I am a banana king. I mean, why put the waters at one? Take the boat and take the sea. Good liver, good feeling. And it's one. Big good tea. Everything else. Coming over and just put the mind in your heart. He make the dance. He make the dance of rock and down. Good liver, good feeling. And it's one. Big good tea. Everything else. Coming over and just put the mind in your heart. He make the dance. He make the dance of rock and down. Good liver, good feeling. Really good tea. Oh yeah. Coming over and just put the mind in your heart. He make the dance. He make the dance of rock and down.
Here at Carib 21, I'm on a mission to showcase the vibrant culture and the breathtaking beauty of the Caribbean while showcasing our culture and what is trending. If you want to support me on this mission, please subscribe. And if you also want to support, you can hit the comment section and buy me a cup of coffee. In order to buy me a cup of coffee, you can follow these instructions. Just click more. You will see the link to buy me a cup of coffee. Click the link. You can purchase 1 or 2 cups of coffee, and you'll be helping me to fulfill this mission. Thank you.